For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
This year, we see the Mana digital currency turning into a top gainer many weeks. There is nothing unexpected. All things considered, Decentraland is one of the stars of the play-to-earn pattern, which became famous in 2021 on the digital currency market. How is the undertaking growing now, and what might we at any point anticipate from the cost of the in-game Mana token? How about we sort it out? Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. The venture was laid out by the Decentraland Foundation back in 2015. Thus, you can see that this game has been available for quite a while. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 DTH, which was about $26 million around then. Notwithstanding, the computer-generated experience stage was opened to the public simply in 2020. Decentraland clients can trade land things while partaking in the game in collaboration. It resembles an internet game. Be that as it may, it centers around friendly and monetary connections among clients and not on the actual interactivity. Clients convey, go to addresses, open stores, and investigate the world and new articles in it. Doesn't it help you to remember anything? This is Minecraft of a decentralized world. All land in Decentraland is partitioned into 90,000 bundles called packages. The underlying size of one parcel was 10 times 10 meters of in-game space. In February 2019, the local area directed a vote. Just later, the size of each parcel was expanded to 16 times 16 meters. Each parcel is an ERC 721 token, land. We should discuss the tokens. There are two sorts of in-game digital currency, Mana and land. Mana is an ERC20 symbolic that assists with purchasing virtual labor and products inside the metaverse. Land is an ERC 721 token used to signify the option to claim a particular land parcel in the game. As such, it's a proof of possession. Other than parcels, there are roads and plazas in the realm of Decentraland. Clients can't get it in light of the fact that no one but engineers can make objects on them. Streets are required for clients to explore the virtual world. The plazas are points of fascination for clients, recreational areas and data zones. The nearer the land is to the roads and plazas, the more costly it is. The region around Central Plaza is the most costly, very much like the Central Park property in New York. The universe of Decentraland has topical zones called regions. For instance, there are shops on Fashion Street and auditoriums in Decentraland University. Every region is possessed and overseen by a nearby local area. Sadly, the land in such regions is as of now not accessible for procurement. How about we envision that you have land, fortunate? How might you discard your buy? Resell. As the game fills in prominence, the cost of land rises. Thus, you become a contingent landowner who can profit from it. Lease out the land. You will actually want to get automated revenue from the procured land. Place a notice. You can fabricate any articles on their territory, and even spot commercials. In this way, you can drape up a standard of your organization or open a display area. Open a NFT store. Exceptionally popular, isn't that so? Decentraland is NFT agreeable with the ERC 721 norm. For instance, computerized craftsmen can open a display with NFT works of art. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Decentraland costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Decentraland will be $1.19. The most extreme level that the Mana cost can reach is $1.30. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.23. Mana price forecast for September 2022. In light of the value changes of Decentraland toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Mana pace of $1.11 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $1.01 and at $1.14, individually. October 2022, Decentraland price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the mana cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $1.09, while the most extreme could reach $1.19 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Decentraland may be around $1.14. Mana price forecast for November 2022. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Decentraland in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal mana rate they foresee may be around $1.19 in November 2022. It can drop to $1.13 as a base. The greatest worth may be $1.24. December 2022, Decentraland price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the mana cost will be exchanged at $1.23 overall. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Decentraland worth to $1.30. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1.19 in December 2022. Decentraland price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Decentraland in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Decentraland will be around $1.79. The greatest expected mana cost might be around $2.15. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.85 in 2023. Decentraland price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Decentraland, in 2024, mana is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $2.45 and $3.09, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.53. Decentraland price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Decentraland and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base mana cost could drop to $3.43, while its greatest can reach $4.18. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $3.53. Decentraland price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Decentraland by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least mana costs are normal in 2026. $5.91 and $4.86. Overall, it will be exchanged at $5.04. Decentraland price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Decentraland. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical mana